Hello friends and welcome. You are with Deepak R. Khemani and this is the 2 minutes money and personal finance show. Let us continue where we dropped off yesterday. I told you there are ways where banks are issuing credit cards to those people who do not have a credit score. Just like the example we saw yesterday of my friend's daughter who had just majored and she did not have any credit score. 1. There are banks who will issue you a credit card if you keep a fixed deposit with them, a long-term fixed deposit. So let's say you keep a 1 lakh rupees fixed deposit with the bank. That bank will now issue you a credit card depending upon their guidelines of limits from for 50,000 rupees to 80,000 to maximum 1 lakh rupees, because that 1 lakh FD is with them and they will preferably ask you to have this FD which is locked in, normally like a tax saver FD which is locked in for 5 years, which you can't break. Otherwise anybody else would go to the bank, open an FD, get a credit card and then break it. 1. Second, you could become a add-on card holder to your parent. So many banks, most credit cards give you this facility. If the parent has a credit card, the daughter or a son who is now a major can apply and get an add-on card. An add-on card gets issued to that person on the basis of the parent having the original main card. However, the limits of the main and the add-on card add together. It's not an extra credit spending which you have. It forms the spending limit from the main card only. So the main card plus the add-on card. Nowadays, third option, many new generation banks have started issuing credit cards to people who open a savings bank account with them. So if you walk into a bank, you do not have a credit score. If you, however, open a savings bank account with the bank, then the bank, depending upon the amount you are putting in the savings bank, issues you a credit card. They have got multiple variants starting from basic credit cards to mid-range credit cards to high-end credit cards like Insignia and Regalia and platinum versions and whatnot. However, this is what 3 options are there for people who do not have a credit score. Credit card against a fixed deposit, an add-on card against an add-on card to already an existing parent, and third, a card against opening a savings bank account.